how to install Google Sound Amplifier on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. So here click on Play Store app. Now here click on this settings icon and click on keyboard and search sound amplifier and install sound amplifier. So after installing, click on open. After click on open, click on the three dot icon and click on settings. Now in amplifier settings, so make sure show icon in the app list turn on. So after turn on this button, go back to home screen and click on sound amplifier. So if you want to use phone mic, so click on phone mic. So if you want to use phone media, so you will see use sound media from here. So after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can install Google Sound Amplifier on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.